How does Moong Dal give you healthy skin and acne-free face? We put many things on our faces for skin beauty. But in ancient times, they used to apply malang turmeric to the face and maintain the beauty of the face. This nalangu flower was prepared with only natural ingredients. Many ingredients are added to this nalangu flower. One of the important ingredients in this nalangu flower is also added Moong Dal. This makes the face shiny. In this post, we will also see how to get acne-free glowing skin using Moong Dal. Another name, Tamil name, Payatham Burapu, English name, green gram, Hindi name Moong Dal, botanical name, Vina radiata. What are the chemical properties and healing properties of Moong Dal? Green gram, often known as Moong Dal, is a powerful beauty component. It is filled in minerals like potassium, magnesium, iron, and copper and is high in vitamins A, E, K, and C. So these all contribute to the skin's healthy radiance. Vitamin B6 reduces the effects of hormonal imbalance, acne, inflammation, and redness. The natural whitening abilities of a green gram can significantly lessen the tan. Along with being cooling and soothing, it also possesses antibacterial qualities that can repair your skin and keep it looking young and radiant. Moong Dal can be used topically to treat dry skin and replenish moisture that has been lost. It is brimming with vitamins and enzymes that help the skin retain moisture as well as cell-rejuvenating ingredients. How to use Moong Dal for your facial beauty. Moong Dal Face Mask. Take water in a pan and heat it. Place another vessel on top of it and add 1 tablespoon of cucumber, 1 tablespoon of Moong Dal powder, and 1 tablespoon of gelatin. Mix well and heat it until it becomes thick. Once it cools down, apply it to your face as a mask. Then peel it off when it dries. What are the instructions for using this mask? Do not use this mask on highly acne-prone skin. Instead of that, you can just put the grind raw Moong Dal paste on the face. Moong Dal is a natural facial hair remover. This will remove the hair from the skin, so this mask should be peeled off gently. When using it, it should be used without falling into the eye. What are the benefits of using this mask? Masoor Dal removes the dead skin cells and brightens up the texture of the skin. Masoor Dal helps in retaining the moisture, leaving the skin well hydrated, thereby providing nourishment to the skin. Gelatin increases the skin's ability to produce collagen, giving it a more youthful appearance and lessening the visibility of wrinkles and fine lines. Cucumber juice relieves dryness on the face. Applying cucumber juice on the face gives a cooling effect and improves facial glow. Moong Dal Face Wash Gel. What are the preparations for face wash gel? Take a cup of soap nut and remove its seed. On the first day, soak the broken soap nut fruit in water. In another vessel, soak 1/4 cup of almond resin. The next day put the soap nut fruit in a mixer jar and grind well. Add rose bioenzymes, if not present add some preservatives. Filter the ground pulp. Keep it separately in an airtight container. Similarly, grind almond resin and add rose bioenzyme, filter the pulp and keep it in an airtight bottle. Soak the half cup Moong Dal, grind it well, squeeze the juice and take it. Add some same bioenzyme to it and store it in a separate airtight bottle. How to make natural homemade face wash gel. Take a mixer, add 2 tablespoons of soap nut pulp, 2 tablespoons almond resin pulp, 2 tablespoons of Moong Dal extract and grind well. Now this face wash gel is ready to use. How to use this face wash gel. You can use this face wash instead of using soap on your face. Wash your face with this face wash after going out in the sun. It helps to get rid of sun damage. What are the benefits of using this face wash gel? Moong Dal will also soothe your skin from the damage done by the harmful UV rays. The magnesium and zinc in the Moong Dal help in getting rid of spots, uneven skin tone, fine lines, and acne spots, which results in blemish-free and radiant skin. As a natural moisturizer, soap nuts can help prevent dry skin. They can lighten your skin tone and improve your appearance when used as a face cleanser. Almond resin shields skin from free radicals, which prevent premature aging. It is a face wash made entirely of natural ingredients. So this does not cause any damage to the face. Its foam comes just as well as a store-bought face wash. It is a very low cost for making and the benefits are very high. Beautiful skin requires commitment, not a miracle. Erno Laszlo. Thanks for watching this video.